So let's come here. And here you will see there are different cameras around the plant, and you will see the whole process is taking place. So I will just remind you, it's they can produce 1,000 car frames per day. Can you imagine that? That is like for me, that's a crazy speed, right? And you can see that high precision press. There are 8 presses in total, and it like takes, I don't know, less than a second to kind of press the steel sheet into the shape it needs. That's pretty impressive. And you can see over there the frames of the doors and also the roof. And you see how the doors are transported to the next section. Yeah, and you see that all the remains, because the factory, this plant, is all about the eco-friendliness. That's why all the materials that is cut out is actually stored and reused. You can see over there, the steel is collected in one place. So guys, it's really cool to see it in the camera right here from the live feed, but it's much more cooler to see it with your own eyes. Just standing here is giving me goosebumps. Right here you can see the high precision press, right? It's stamping these steel sheets, and I've heard that the precision is actually 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter to make it high precision. Right there we can see, I mean, it just takes like 2 seconds for a car part to be made. Let's go inside. I mean, not inside. We're gonna stay here. You can see there are different molds, and it takes a lot of pressure. I told you, like the weight of the press is 2,000 tons, or sometimes it's 2,400 tons. So it presses these steel sheets into the perfect form. Now we actually can see how they come out. They're being pressed, and it's all automated here. I can see the doors right there. We're gonna move a little bit fast because the whole production is automated and it's really, really fast.
GWM.